Want to simplify data flow in SwiftUI? Learn how stacked data structures can streamline your app's navigation, undo action, and state management in just a few minutes. So the structure we'll be implementing will allow last in, first out functionality. So this is the app that we will create. At the moment, David is the first person at the top of the stack. But if I want to add another person to the top of the stack, I can enter the person's name in the text field name field, enter the age, 20, then add the person. So now Andrew is at the top of the stack. If I want to filter or search for all the people in the stack, I just type in the search box, type a character, for example, E, click on the find by name button, and then it finds all the names of people that contains the letter E. Alice, Charlie, Andrew. So the next thing I'll show you how to do is to remove the person from the stack. Since Andrew is the first one on top of the stack, if I click on the remove top person button, this person will be removed from the stack. Now David is the first person in the stack, and just to show that Andrew has been removed from the stack, I'll type in Andrew's name in the search button, and it doesn't exist, as you can see. So this is the app that we will create in this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will create our stack view model to manage the state of the stack and connect with the SwiftUI view. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new Swift file. Name the file stack view model. Import observation. At observable to enable the class to detect any changes within the view model. Var stack equals stack person The purpose of that line is to store a stack of person objects, and any changes will be observed by the SwiftUI view. Var new person name, var new person age, var search text, and the purpose for search text, or maybe I should name it something else. Let's call it find person by name. That's a better variable. So the purpose of find person by name is to enable the filtering. And then we need another variable called var search results that holds an array of person objects. func setup initialize or initial data. So this is just temporary data for the stack, hard-coded data. Really, this should be coming from an API. Person name, Alice, age 30. Person name, Bob, age 40. Person name, Charlie, 50. And person name, David, age 60. The next thing we need to do is to create another function which is called push person. And the purpose of the push person function is to add another element, another object onto the stack. New person age, new person name is empty, return. So on line 34, if the age is invalid, if the age is not a number, and if the new person.name is empty, then it will just exit this function. But if everything is okay, then it will pass those values to the person object. To add that person onto the stack. And that should be stack dot push. Stack dot push. It seems like it cannot find our push method within our stack. So let's see what the problem is. Let's go to the stack. Stack.push. Oh, it's spelled incorrectly. On line 20, within the stack struct, it should be push. I'll just compile it to make sure it's okay. Next thing we need to do is declare the variables, declare the state of our variables, new person name and new person age. Set it to blank. And now we need to create the pop function, which is pop person. And the purpose of the pop person function is to remove an object from the stack, which removes the top object from the stack. And then to search our stack, we need to create a peak person function that enables our stack to be searched. So if a person is found in the stack that is similar to our criteria, then it will return that person as a person object using stack.peak. And then to check if our stack is empty, we need to use the boolean, which will return true or false if the stack is empty. And then to enable the user to filter the stack to find a person within the stack, we need to create a find by name function. Search results equals stack dot find by name. Search text. I'll just compile it. In the next tutorial, we will start to implement our content view. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.